Hello, my name is Megan York, and this is a video tutorial designed for students at the University of Maine School of Law on advanced searching using HeinOnline. HeinOnline is a robust database that is best known for its compilation of law review and law journal articles. HeinOnline also has many government documents, including historic federal and state statutes, federal regulations, and much more. For law students, this database is an incredibly important research tool when working on your independent writing project or writing and editing for the Maine Law Review or the Ocean, Coastal, and Law Journal. This tool is also important to familiarize yourself with when starting an externship or summer internship. Knowing what is available and how to efficiently utilize this tool will save you time in the future. Also, unlike other research databases that you were introduced to during your first semester of your 1L year, this one you'll have access to beyond graduation as an alum of the University of Maine School of Law. First, we'll take a quick tour of the homepage, taking a look at the navigation, the What's New and Help area, and next we'll walk through search examples using the Citation Navigator feature and advanced full-text searching, and we'll browse the content available. Here we are on the home page of HeinOnline, and we can see that there are various content sets browsable by category and by name. At the top of the page, there is a search box that allows for full-text searching, citation, catalog, and case law searching. But first, let's take a look up here. This menu allows us to see what database we're searching in. Right now it says all databases. This is just one of the ways to target a specific database you want to search. Over here, under What's New, there's information on new content and new enhancements, and the Help button is only a click away. Under this area, you'll find the Comprehensive User Guide, the Advanced Search Syntax Guide, and a link to the HeinOnline blog. I also want to point out that under Account, you have the option to change the language in which HeinOnline appears. So now we're going to take a look at an example of a citation search. So we've been asked to find this law review article. As you can see from the citation given, it is not always easy to tell what the name of the law journal is based on its abbreviation. For example, this is from the Cardoza Journal of International and Comparative Law. HeinOnline has a great tool that allows us to pull this article quickly. And it's a little buried, so I want to point it out to you today. So with our search example, we're going to go first to the Law Journal Library under this link here. This takes us to a comprehensive list of all the law journals included in the database. But I want to also go up to Citation. And I'm going to click here, and you can see that the options have changed. We now can see the Citation Navigator button. We click on this, there is a template that appears. And in here we can start to type in the beginning name of our law journal. And it populates all the different ones that are available. Here's the one we're looking for. Now I'll type in the volume number and page number that were given to me in my citation and go to Get Cite. And here we are. We can see that we are taken directly to the article as it appears within the journal, and we can navigate through there. This article can be downloaded as a PDF and can be shared with anyone whether they have HeinOnline or not, which is unusual compared to some of the other databases available. And also, because this document appears as a PDF from the text of the original journal, this is a great tool for citation purposes. Now we're going to do an advanced search. I'm going to click on HeinOnline to take me back to the main screen. And we're going to click on Advanced Search to get some additional options. So for my search example, I'm going to look for content that includes emerging technology. All right, so you can see from what I've added here, we have the word emerging and then W/P. That means within the paragraph. And HeinOnline recognizes that as within 75 words of each other. Next, we're using a truncation tool with an asterisk that is going to pull back results that include technology, technological, and technologies. From here, I can also limit the results to include a date range. I'm going to do 2005 to 2019. I also want to point out that this link here takes you again to that advanced search syntax. This is a great guide that lists all the proximity searching tools, the operators available on HeinOnline. Click search. Here we go. We have our results from our search. We can see that there is a small blurb that includes where our search terms were located in the text. So I scroll through. A couple of the advanced features that we have here is we can search by relevance, or we can change this so that the options are by the number of times the article has been cited. So that might be of interest to us. So this article has been cited 76 times. Over on this side, we have the option to do further filtering. So we can change the library with which we're searching. I also like this one, the topics. When changing the library, we have the option to be able to pick just law journals, but notice that international law journals is in a separate database. And let me click on show more. See, we also have the American Bar Journals in a separate database. So by doing a search from all databases, we're able to tap into some of the other materials available. And there we go. That is a brief description of how to use HeinOnline. And if we click on the home page, we can take you back to the beginning again. Again, take a look at all the content that's available here. You can see, I also want to point out the index to foreign legal periodicals. That's a great database if you're doing international law. And as always, if you have any questions at all, we are very close by. Come talk to us at the reference desk or circulation desk at the Garbrick Law Library. And here I've also listed our email addresses and phone number. Also check out our website. We have some great tutorials just like this one available to you. Happy searching!